If you are looking for a private land surveyor in Itanagar, look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. As a leading surveying company, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of highly skilled and experienced land surveyors who can assist you with all your land surveying needs. Whether you are planning to develop a new property, make improvements to an existing property, or simply need to understand the boundaries of your land, our private land surveyors have the expertise and knowledge to provide you with accurate and reliable surveying services. As a private land surveyor, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of precise and detailed surveys. Our team utilizes the latest surveying technology and equipment to ensure that our surveys are conducted with the highest level of accuracy. We take into consideration all relevant factors such as topography, existing structures, and legal boundaries to provide you with comprehensive survey reports that meet your specific requirements. One of the key benefits of hiring a private land surveyor is that they can help you avoid potential legal disputes or complications that may arise from incorrect or incomplete surveys. By hiring Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, you can have peace of mind knowing that our surveyors will conduct a thorough analysis of your property and provide you with precise measurements and boundary information. Our team is always available to answer any questions or concerns you may have throughout the surveying process. In conclusion, if you are in need of a private land surveyor in Itanagar, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the company to choose. With our team of skilled and experienced surveyors, state-of-the-art equipment, and commitment to customer satisfaction, we can provide you with accurate and reliable land surveying services. Contact us today to discuss your project requirements and let us assist you in achieving your goals. If you are in need of a private land surveyor in Itanagar, look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. As a leading surveying company, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has extensive experience in providing accurate and reliable land surveying services. Whether you require a survey for residential, commercial, or industrial purposes, their team of qualified surveyors can assist you in obtaining the necessary information about your land. As a private land surveyor, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of delivering precise and detailed survey results. They utilize the latest technology and equipment to ensure that their surveys are conducted with utmost precision. Their team of experienced surveyors is well versed in using advanced surveying techniques, including GPS and laser scanning, to capture accurate measurements and produce high-quality survey reports. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd as your private land surveyor in Itanagar is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They prioritize understanding their clients' specific needs and requirements to tailor their survey